Hey guys, it's Miss Suzie. Today we will be doing recycled, reusable toilet paper or paper towel seed planters. So we're going to be using the rolls. So there's 4 materials. I'm going to go over the materials right now. So toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls. Otherwise, if you do not have any of those materials, you could also use water bottles, and I will also demonstrate that as well in the example. What else? Aluminum tins that you could normally get at the dollar store, you can use them. Or if you have a random plastic container lying around, you could also do that. I'm going to be using the plastic container because the aluminum tins that I have, they were like way too big, and I also didn't want to waste it. So I'm going to use something smaller and try to just use the materials that you have. Scissors to cut, and I have Morning Glory flower seeds. I think someone gave these to me, and yeah, they're 2017. I don't know if seeds go bad, but we're gonna try them out. And yeah, I'm gonna be using these. These were the only flowers that I have. My mom has a bunch of seed packets, but the only other seed packets that she has were like fruits and vegetables. So we're just gonna be doing this. And then I will be taking the camera outside. You'll get to be seeing outside my house again. And I'm just gonna grab some dirt from my mom's garden. Yeah, you might not have dirt depending on where you live. You could just go to like Home Depot or Lowe's to get it. Otherwise, just go outside and find some dirt, find some soil. That's basically what I'm doing. So let's get started. I'm going to be moving the camera. And this is just going to be a little bit of prep time. So facing the camera downward. So you want to take your scissors and you want to cut the toilet paper rolls. So you could just bend them a little bit and then cut them. I would say about like ½ of an inch, roughly. I think this container will be able to fit like 6, maybe. Roughly 6. Actually, it might be able to fit 8, actually. Yeah, cool. So I'm gonna do I'll do 4 of the toilet paper roll. And then I'll do 4 of the water bottle, just to show you guys another option or alternative. Because I know water bottles, it kind of depends. Like, you could have toilet paper rolls lying around or paper towel rolls, but I feel like you drink water more often, so I think plastic water bottles might be more useful. So you just kind of want to spread them out. I just want to get like a feeling of where they're going to be. So next thing I'm going to do, take off the cap. So then you can also bend the water bottle as well. And then you're just going to cut it again, as if you were cutting the toilet paper. You won't be using the bottom, you're just going to be using the middle part of the bottle. Be careful as well when you are doing this, because plastic, you can really cut yourself. And I know I've done it in the past myself. So there we go. We have the water bottle cut out. Now with the water bottle, I'm only going to fit 2. I might actually be able to fit another toilet paper roll. So let me just grab the one I set aside. There we go. So as you can see, this is, we'll get a close-up look. So that's what it's going to look like. Pretty simple actually. And then we're going to go outside. Now that we have all the materials ready, I added a couple of few. If you're ready to start planting, you're gonna want a shovel. My mom is like really into gardening, but I could not find her shovels. I guess they're in the shed, and so I just quickly grabbed my nephew's like sand shovel. You could even use a cup, like, or if you don't care about getting your hands dirty, you could also use your hands. I just didn't want to. I also have a cup of water because I could not find a spray bottle, and you guys might not have a spray bottle either. So just grab like a plastic cup of water. I also want to just give props that this cup is also like a cup that I made. I used to do glass blowing, so I actually made this cup while at Temple University. So fun fact. So now let's take out the toilet paper, the water bottles, take out a shovel, and just go underneath and get some nice, good brown dirt. And you want to fill the container with a good enough layer of dirt. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you will be able to plant some flowers yourself and be able to participate in the STEM project. I will keep you posted as to how these flowers are doing. Like I said, they might not bloom. There was a couple of really brown seeds and I don't think they're supposed to be dark. So, we will see. I'm still going to check on them. I watered them. We'll see how they're doing and I'll keep you updated. But thank you so much for watching and I hope you guys have a great day.